Welcome back to Bike Update, your go-to source for the latest updates on motorcycles, and now, expanding into exciting automotive coverage. Today we're diving into a detailed look at the 2026 Subaru Outback, an all-terrain legend that continues to evolve, combining SUV utility with rugged off-road performance and everyday practicality. Whether you're a longtime Subaru enthusiast or considering the Outback for the first time, this comprehensive breakdown will cover everything you need to know about the 2026 model. Design and styling, rugged refinement. The 2026 Subaru Outback maintains its signature rugged look, while embracing subtle refinements that add a modern edge. The front fascia sees a sleeker, more aggressive grille flanked by updated LED headlights that now integrate adaptive beam technology. Sculpted body lines flow into a reshaped rear end with new taillights and a revised bumper, offering a more muscular stance. Roof rails remain standard, emphasizing its utility-first DNA, while new wheel designs ranging from 17 to 20 inches depending on the trim bring a fresh aesthetic to every model. Subaru has also added 3 new color options this year, including Desert Sand Pearl and Arctic Blue Metallic, allowing buyers more freedom of expression. Interior comfort, elevated utility. Inside, the 2026 Outback delivers a refined and spacious cabin built with durable materials, improved ergonomics, and a focus on comfort for long hauls. Higher trims benefit from Napa leather upholstery, ventilated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof. The infotainment system now centers around an 11.6-inch vertically oriented touchscreen with updated software that's more responsive and intuitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across all trims, and Subaru has introduced a new voice assistant for hands-free controls. Rear seat legroom continues to be generous, and cargo space expands to 76 cubic feet, with the rear seats folded, perfect for outdoor gear or family road trips. Performance, symmetrical all-wheel drive excellence. Under the hood, Subaru keeps things familiar but refined. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder boxer engine delivers 182 horsepower and 176 lb-ft of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. CVT. For those wanting more punch, the available 2.4-liter turbocharged engine outputs 260 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque, offering confident highway merging and towing capability. Both engines benefit from tweaks to the powertrain management system, enhancing throttle response and fuel efficiency. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system remains at the core of the Outback's performance, providing excellent traction and stability across all terrains and conditions. Additionally, the updated X mode now includes dual-function terrain settings and a hill descent assist feature. Ride and handling. Built for adventure, the 2026 Outback continues to shine when it comes to ride comfort and handling. Subaru has refined the suspension geometry for improved on-road composure without sacrificing off-road readiness. New shock absorbers reduce body roll and enhance road isolation, making daily commutes smoother and long drives more relaxed. The steering has also been recalibrated for better feedback, especially at low speeds and during off-road maneuvering. Whether you're cruising through city streets or navigating unpaved trails, the Outback remains composed, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. Technology smart and safe. Subaru continues to push its EyeSight driver assist technology forward, now featuring a wider camera field of view and faster processor for improved responsiveness. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and pre-collision braking. New for 2026 is the inclusion of lane change assist and a driver monitoring system that detects signs of fatigue or distraction. A 360-degree camera system is available on higher trims, making parking and off-road navigation even easier. On the tech side, a new digital instrument cluster joins the updated infotainment suite, offering customizable views for navigation, performance data, and media. Fuel economy and efficiency. Fuel efficiency sees marginal improvements thanks to software tuning and minor aerodynamic adjustments. The 2.5-liter engine now delivers an estimated 28 mpg combined, while the turbocharged 2.4-liter achieves around 25 mpg combined. Solid figures for a midsize crossover with standard all-wheel drive. Subaru also continues to invest in sustainable manufacturing, with the Outback built at its zero landfill plant in India. For eco-conscious buyers, these details add to the Outback's appeal beyond just fuel savings. Trim levels and pricing. The 2026 Subaru Outback lineup includes the familiar trim levels: Base, Premium, Limited, Touring, Onyx Edition XT, Wilderness, and Touring XT. The base model offers impressive value with standard all-wheel drive, advanced safety features, and smartphone integration. The premium trim adds heated seats, dual-zone climate control, and additional USB ports. Moving up, the limited and touring trims focus on luxury and tech upgrades, while the XT models offer the turbocharged engine and added performance. The Wilderness Edition stands out with increased ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and underbody skid plates for serious adventurers. Pricing starts around $30,000 and can climb to just over $45,000 for the fully loaded Touring XT. Wilderness Edition, the off-road star. The Wilderness trim deserves a special spotlight. Designed for the trail, this version of the Outback includes a raised suspension that offers 9.5 inches of ground clearance, front and rear bumpers optimized for better approach and departure angles, and reinforced roof rails for rooftop tents and gear. The transmission cooler increases towing capacity to 3,500 pounds, and dual-function X mode provides extra grip on slippery or uneven terrain. Inside, the Wilderness features water-repellent StarTex upholstery, copper accent stitching, and a rugged, ready-for-anything vibe that doesn't compromise on comfort. Cargo and utility. Practical to the core, beyond passenger comfort, the 2026 Outback continues to impress with its cargo flexibility. The hands-free power tailgate is quicker and more responsive, and the load floor is low and flat for easy access. Rear seats fold nearly flat, creating a massive cargo area that rivals some compact SUVs. Integrated roof rails with swing-in crossbars remain a hallmark feature, giving users built-in solutions for hauling bikes, kayaks, or cargo boxes. With its combination of generous space and smart storage options, the Outback remains one of the most practical vehicles in its class. Towing and capability. For those needing utility beyond cargo space, the 2026 Outback offers solid towing capacity. The naturally aspirated engine supports up to 2,700 pounds, while turbocharged models and the Wilderness trim can handle 3,500 pounds. Enough for small trailers, boats, or campers. Subaru includes Trailer Stability Assist for improved control, and available accessories like hitch mount bike racks or cargo carriers expand its versatility even further. Whether you're headed to a weekend campsite or hauling equipment, the Outback is built to manage it all with ease. Subaru reliability and ownership costs. Subaru's reputation for longevity and low maintenance costs continues with the 2026 Outback. The brand's high resale value, dependable engineering, and loyal customer base contribute to the Outback's appeal. Scheduled maintenance remains affordable, and the CVT and Boxer engines are designed for long-term durability. Subaru also includes a 3-year/36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year/60,000-mile powertrain warranty, with roadside assistance and added perks for first-time buyers. If you're looking for a long-term vehicle that holds its value and keeps running strong, the Outback is an excellent investment. Final thoughts. Evolution of a legend. The 2026 Subaru Outback continues its legacy as a versatile, capable, and reliable crossover that's equally at home on city streets or mountain trails. With thoughtful updates in design, technology, and performance, it remains a top contender in the mid-size crossover segment. Whether you're an adventurous spirit, a practical commuter, or a weekend explorer, the Outback is designed to meet your lifestyle needs with confidence and style. Outback, subscribe for more on Bike Update. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Subaru Outback. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Bike Update for more in-depth reviews and updates on both two-wheel and four-wheel machines. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you considering the new Outback? What features stand out to you the most? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.